How to change year in Google Earth. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change year in Google Earth. In order to do it, so open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.earth.google.com and log into your account. It's going to take a couple of seconds in order to load, so this is how it's going to look like. Here, what you want to do is click on the new button or just go ahead and click on new project, and then it's going to look something like this. Here, in order to change your in Google Earth, you just have to go ahead and locate this icon. You could see there is a circle arrow, and then inside it there is a circle as well. Just you have to go ahead and press on it. As you do it, so you want to go ahead and locate the particular region. So I'm going to go with Zimbabwe, let's say. And next thing what you want to do is click on save project, or you could just go ahead and click on it. After you've done it, so press on it, you could see the timeline just next to it. Here, you just want to go ahead and hold on to the slider, and you want to go ahead and select the particular year. Let's say I'm going to go with the 2013, or maybe just like that. And if you want to go beyond this, you want to click or just want to go ahead and hold on to the slider just like this. You could see this is how you do it, so, and select it. Once you do it, so hit enter, and it's going to show you the timeline accordingly. So that's the way you could now let's say I'm going to go ahead and change it, or see it's something like this. So you see, this is how it'll look like. So that's the way you could go ahead and change your year in Google Earth. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.